defends the president for taking a swipe at politicians pretending to be allies of his administration. Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang says the president only wants real allies who will help him push the administration's reform agenda. Elena Luna with the details.
The bawas clarifies the president is only reminding voters to pick their candidates wisely in his recent provincial speeches.
Paalala lamang po, asahan na po ninyong may mga nagpapanggap at nakikisakay di umano sa ating krusada. May mga nakikisuot ng kulay dilaw pero hindi tiyak kung anong kulay ang nasa loobin.
Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang says the chief executive is calling the public to give him allies to push the administration's reform agenda.
I think it's important as the voters, as we enter the election period, that voters understand the difference between the president and the support that he needs to continue his agenda and other parties. So there are other parties with their own agenda, and what's important for us is that moving forward we continue to enjoy a comfortable majority in both houses of Congress. Because we have lots of legislation over the next 3 years, very important legislation.
The official gives as example the MILF Organic Act.
At some point, an Organic Act will be drafted. That has to pass through Congress. And if we want this peace deal to go through, and I think most people do, it's better if you have a Congress that supports the initiatives. And that's really what the president is saying.
He adds mentioning the color yellow is not in any way an attack to non-legislative members in Team Pinoy.
Hindi. I think yung coalition ni Pangulo nanggaling sa iba't ibang partido kasi nakita nila yung nagagawa natin in the last 3 years at yung gusto pa nating gawin. And to their credit, other parties na hindi na natin kasama noon ay sumama na dito. Sumama na dito sa Daang Matuwid kasi nakita nila, number 1, may epekto. Number 2, gusto ng tao ito at gusto ipagpatuloy, gusto nilang makitulong dito imbis na mag-oppose. So, kaya sumali sila doon sa coalition.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.